Here is how you can change the size of the clock or time that appears on your lock screen, as well as change the style and color. This is the Galaxy A55 smartphone, and let's go ahead and get started. After the latest updates of Android 14 One UI 6.0, one of the fastest ways to do this is by long pressing a blank area on your home screen like this here, and you want to go to where it says Wallpaper and Style. Once you tap on that here, you will be taken to the part where you can change the wallpapers. The one on the left is for your lock screen. And what happens when you tap here, you not only get to change the wallpaper, but you also get to change the layout of everything that appears on your lock screen. So to do this for the time, you'll tap here. And from here, you'll notice this will appear. You can choose these different styles. You can also have no clock if you don't want to, and also show weather information. You got the different styles again. And it's totally up to you to make that selection. This is by far my favorite style here. Then you got the number or the font style, which is these up here in the middle top, right there. You can choose which one you want. And once you've made your selection, now to the bottom section, you'll see the colors. You got these preset colors. And of course, you want to choose something that will be matching your wallpaper. While I don't have the best wallpaper out there on the planet, it is just for temporary display on how to go about doing this right here. Now, once you've made your selection, press done, and you can now see the colors here. Pulling on these little white circles will adjust the size of it. This is the biggest you can go, and when it's really big like that, you can't move it. But if it's smaller, you can place it another part on your screen. Notice how the icons are moving, but that's just basically it on what you can do, and the different styles will give you different options in terms of size and moving it about. All right, but that's that for this tutorial. If this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.